Hey ladies and gentlemen, Chris Midwest Bass Hunter, and we have the January bait crate. So the bait crate is a subscription box, or not a subscription box. You don't have to subscribe. Small town custom bait companies, not your big box baits. $20 for the box, $19.99, and if you use the coupon code that I'll leave in the description, you can get 15% off of that. So let's see what we got inside. Okay, so I already opened this box, and you know, I like all my bait crates, but I believe this is the best bait crate I've ever gotten. I'm really stoked about this bait crate. First off, 2 bait crate stickers. And the first one here, we've seen a lot of it from these guys before, penetration hooks, and it's more of the flipping hooks, and these are awesome hooks. I'll show these to you. And I've gotten this brand of hooks a couple times in my bait crate, and I'm not disappointed with them. If I can get it out. They're a little bit different. They're heavy duty hook, and it's got a little bait keeper on there to keep your bait from falling down the end. A little different design, a little different shape. So we got a set of those. These are 5/0. 4 of those, and it says for frogs, craws, and 6-inch hog and beaver baits. So then you get a penetration hook sticker too, and those are awesome. So then the next thing we have, this is the Deadly Strike Bait Company. Deadly Strike Baits. It's the first time I've seen Deadly Strike Baits. I've never seen any of their stuff before. And this is a creature bait. It doesn't have a name on it to what it's called. Let's see. So it's a little creature type bait, and all these appendages, they're all stuck together, and I took this one and separated them all so you could see the different action that you'll see when it's in the water. All these will free up if you tear them loose. Otherwise you can leave them together depending on how you want to fish it, but I'd take them loose. It doesn't really have doesn't seem to have like any attractant or anything on it. So it also has a hole in the back so you can see where to put the hook right in the center. I kind of like that because sometimes I'm a little bit off when I put that hook in there. It's important to have that hook straight when you're Texas rigging. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's a 6-pack of those Deadly Strike baits. And I will leave in the description. I'll leave websites for all these different bait companies. These guys have an Instagram too, at Deadly Strike Baits. And the next one we have, oh, these fell out of the package. So this is Osprey Fishing Tackle, and these are called Brody Jacks. And basically, this is like a swinging football head jig. And let's see if I can show you this. And then the back side of it's flat. So if you put a bait on there that floats a little bit, it kind of will be up like this. And then that back of that jig will sit flat on the ground. These have mustad hooks. These are, let's see, 1/2 ounce, I believe. It's handwritten on there, and it's not exactly readable. Osprey Fishing Tackle. Yeah, so 2 of these, black color, and I think, like I said, they're 1/2 ounce. They got mustad hooks on them, so those guys are from Arkansas, Toll, Arkansas. Those look pretty cool. I can't wait to try those. Then we have the Crazy Hick Bait Company. Now, we've seen a lot from the Crazy Hick Bait Company, and I love their stuff. They make some really good looking soft plastics. And these are no different. These are called, and they got a lot of juice on them. These are called Smack Snack 3.5-inch Sparkling Smoke color. And this is a 6-pack of them. And yeah, these babies got some smell to them. They're really greasy. So there you go. That is an awesome looking swim bait. You can use that as a trailer or you can use that all by itself. Just Texas rig that and just swim that through the water. You can put this on a chatterbait, put it on a spinnerbait, put it on a jig, swim jig. I really like using swim baits. They're awesome. And as you can see, there's plenty of fish juice on that. I'm gonna wipe that on my pants like everybody should. All right, now this is the last thing in the bait crate, and this thing is really cool. I've never really seen anything like this before, but this is the Innovation Award-winning Zero Gravity Jig. So let me read about this because this thing is pretty unique. It's a lead-free design with a slow fall rate of only 1 foot every 3 seconds. The ZG jig ushers in the next generation of bass fishing jigs. Features a revolutionary lead-free jig head design, 4/0 black nickel VMC jig hook, easy compression skirt, and it says you can use it for all different techniques that you would use with a normal jig. It says deadly fished around shallow lily pads, grass stumps, and rocks. And so I'm going to show you this thing. And I can't describe it because I can't hand it to you, but you can see how big that jig head is. It's pretty big. So if this was a lead jig or tungsten or something like that, you would think this thing probably weighs 3/4 of an ounce, maybe even an ounce. It's that big. This thing weighs 0.21 ounces. This thing is less than 1/4 of an ounce. Less than 1/4 of an ounce. So it's going to fall really slow. It's going to be a little bit more finesse. I would think that this would work super good on days where it's a finicky bite and the fish are not real active. It'll be a little bit more subtle and maybe for those less aggressive fish. And you can see, I mean, this is a beautiful color too. It's a real nice kind of a crawdad almost color and a natural looking color. I'm pretty excited to get this out. There's a lake where I live that is really clear and it's got smallmouth in it and largemouth and kind of deep, cold, clear water. And I'm really excited to try this out because I think this thing would really be the ticket in the early spring, late winter months. This is really exciting. In fact, I'll probably do a review video and try and get some underwater footage of this thing falling because it's supposed to fall so slow. So that is the bait crate for this month. Now, I know what you're probably thinking. Okay, how do we enter the giveaway? But I am not going to give away any of this bait crate for 2 reasons. One, because I want to keep it all to myself. Second of all is I'm giving away a whole entire bait crate. So I have a giveaway video. If you just go to my channel, check it out. If you are one of my subscribers, chances are you probably entered it already. Go check that giveaway video out. We're giving away lots of cool stuff. A bait crate. We're giving away some fishing reels and some other baits. So make sure you stop by and check that out. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to my channel.